During maintenance, take care to prevent abrasion on all wire harnesses. Areas prone to wear must be wrapped with abrasion-resistant tape. Select screws with correct specifications during installation. Both frame, screws and fastening screws must be applied with thread locking adhesive. After each post-crash maintenance, a thorough inspection of the power harness must be performed. If misalignment, displacement, or harness damage is detected, immediately replace affected components to prevent secondary failures caused by hidden hazards. Prioritize inspection of connectors and wiring integrity. After replacing the flight controller, calibration of the magnetometer, accelerometer, level sensor, and gyroscope must be completed before conducting a test flight. Prior to energizing the equipment after maintenance, a mandatory inspection of all wire harnesses must be conducted. Set the multimeter to continuity test mode buzzer symbol. When testing the power terminals of the rear connector, if a continuity tone buzzer is heard due to a short circuit between the positive and negative wires in the power harness, immediately isolate and inspect the harness. Replace any damaged or shorted cables to prevent system failure. Prior to test flight, remove all propellers to verify motor rotation direction and validate flight controller response to control inputs. Ensure each motor's spin direction matches the configuration in the flight control software. Check whether each motor rotates at the same time. Gently push the throttle lever, and check whether the flight controller and each motor have the same response speed. Check the motor angle as well as the motor base set screws. Avoid loosening and reversing. After the visual inspection has no problems, first conduct a manual flight test. After the manual flight test is completed, an automated flight test is conducted.